Insert the key into the plug. Rotate to first gear. Then cut the key inside. The steering wheel then remains unlocked. Next is the issue of anti-theft. Notice there is a black circle here. This coil is called an induction coil. Then there is a sensor chip inside our key. The two modules need to be put together to unlock. Remove this induction coil. Some cars have screws. Unscrew them. You can remove the induction coil. Place the key and induction coil together. Then wrap it with tape. Plug this connection back in and place it in the car.